Guys, Matt Brill here, Service Manager of Redwater Dodge, coming to you in our beautiful express lane right where we do our $10 oil changes. I just want to bring up to you guys, we now do oil changes for the Cummins Diesel for 10 bucks. Used to be $20. Yes, guys, we changed it to make it easy for everyone. It's $10 for a basic Cummins Diesel oil change. Right here that comes with MOPAR MaxPro Diesel DPF engine oil 1540. That's what's recommended from the manufacturer, oil filter, and of course the inspection that we do at no charge with it. Guys, this is for a limited time. If you have any questions, 780-942-3629. Hope to see you guys all soon.